हेलो एवरीवन। आज हम सॉल्यूशन, सोल्यूट एंड सॉल्वेंट की बात करेंगे। व्हाट इज़ द डेफिनेशन ऑफ सॉल्वेंट, सोल्यूट एंड सॉल्यूशन। देन फर्स्ट, सॉल्यूशन। सॉल्यूशन इज ए substance. This is the mixture of two. This is the mixture of two or more than substance. Two or more than substance. Then solute. What is the solution? Is made up of solute and solvent. सॉल्यूशन है वो सोल्यूट एंड सोलवेंट का बना हुआ होता है। तो अब सोल्यूट क्या है एंड सॉल्वेंट क्या है। सोल्यूट, द सोल्यूट इज substance. Solute is the substance dissolved in another substance. This is the definition of solute. And what is the definition of solvent? Liquid that can dissolve another substance. That's two simple definition of solute and solvent. Now we can understand through example. We all know about sugar and mixture of solution of sugar and water. When इस सॉल्यूशन में सॉल्वेंट क्या है और सोल्यूट क्या है, तो जो अब हम सॉल्यूशन ले रहे हैं वो क्या है, वाटर और शुगर का मिक्सचर। वो उस मिक्सचर को हम सॉल्यूशन कहेंगे। अब इसमें से जो वाटर है वो सॉल्वेंट है, क्योंकि उसने शुगर को उसमें डिज़ोल्व किया है। वो सॉल्यूशन वाटर शुगर को डिज़ोल्व कर रहा है, इसीलिए उसे सॉल्वेंट कहते हैं। जबकि सॉल्यूट है वो शुगर है, क्योंकि वो सब्सटेंस डिज़ोल्व हो रहा है दूसरे सब्सटेंस में। सो you can very well understand this thing. You are smart. Then solvent example water. This is the, we can also say, universal solvent. Now solvent is the, we can deeply understand. There are solvent which is two type of solvent. First thing is polar solvent, and other thing is non-polar. Now what is the polar solvent, what is the non-polar solvent? Then we can understand polar solvent means dipole moment is not equal to 0. That's a molecule called polar solvent, and in which non-polar the dipole moment will be 0. The example CCl4, CO2, CH4 methane, carbon dioxide CCl4 carbon tetrachloride, C6H6 benzene, hexane, all are non-polar solvent. Now we will discuss what is the polar solvent. There are dipole moment will be not zero. Example, water, NH3, ammonia, alcohol, molecule which have not dipole moment, which have dipole moment. Some okay. Then polar solvent have, there are two types: polar protic solvent and polar aprotic solvent. Then what is the polar protic solvent and polar aprotic solvent? Here first thing to distinguish polar protic solvent and polar protic solvent, there will be hydrogen bond. Polar protic solvent will form hydrogen bond, whereas polar aprotic solvent cannot form hydrogen bond. There will be no hydrogen bond. And which are the polar protic solvent and polar protic solvent? So what is the example? Then polar protic solvent are water, alcohol, acid, all are polar protic solvent, whereas polar aprotic solvent, DMF, dimethyl formamide, this is the polar aprotic solvent which cannot form hydrogen bond. Now what is the application of polar protic solvent and polar aprotic solvent in organic chemistry? When we study about organic chemistry, SN1 reaction and SN2 reaction, so there will be in SN1 reaction polar protic solvent will be used, and in SN2 reaction there will be polar aprotic solvent used. Polar aprotic solvent is used.